Zazakî, a Kurdish dialect, is on the verge of fading into obscurity. Yet, in the face of this linguistic crisis, there shines a beacon of hope called Mazest. But who exactly is Mazest? Founded in 2019 under the leadership of Tarioğlu, a proud Zazaca Kurd born in Bengal, Mazest is more than just a group. It's a collective of dedicated individuals, including historians, professors, politicians, writers, and even archaeologists. Their mission is twofold. First, they tirelessly produce magazines in Zazakî, acting as guardians of the language. But that's not all. Mazest is currently engaged in numerous other projects aimed at serving the Kurdish people. Secondly, Mazest is a staunch advocate for Kurdish unity. They stand unwaveringly against divisive political agendas that seek to fragment the Kurdish people. That's why the Kurdish people should say Mazest.
Mazest.